challenge and the trick with hydrogen is actually transforming it into the forms and the shapes and the phases that we need it in order to transport it and use it. And so in doing that, we have employment of flow measurement throughout the entire value chain. And the two most common flow measurements that are used for that are mass flow measurement devices like Coriolis meters and ultrasonic meters. And depending on the form that the hydrogen is taking, you will probably want to choose one of those two types of flow meters. Beginning with production, the hydrogen has to be created as a pure hydrogen first, so it has to be separated from everything around it. And in doing so, we take the hydrogen out of something like an electrolyzer and put it into its transportation mode. And taking it off the electrolyzer as a produced product is the first measurement challenge. Coriolis meters are very useful in that regard, in that they can provide not just an accurate measurement of the amount of hydrogen that was produced, but also a good diagnostic for how well the electrolyzer is performing itself. Hydrogen can be manipulated into many forms for transportation, including high-pressure gas that might be moved in cylinders on a tube trailer, low-pressure gas, which might be moved through a pipeline, or lower pressure gas, which might be blended into an existing pipeline with natural gas. This is happening quite frequently these days, and once it's mixed together with the natural gas, it can travel through our existing natural gas transportation distribution grids with ease. When it's used as vehicle fuel, it has to be pressurized to a very high pressure so that it can be dispensed into the vehicle. So when we pull those hydrogen-fueled vehicles into the station to refuel them, it's going to look a lot like the same type of fuel dispensers that we're used to seeing. The big difference is that that hydrogen gas needs to be placed into the vehicle storage at a very high pressure and at a very high flow rate in order to get us in and out of the station in 2 to 3 minutes. Well, the only kind of flow meter that really seems to have worked well in that application is a Coriolis flow meter. And the Micromotion's HPC 015 flow meter is the meter of choice for fueling these vehicles today. The website that you can visit if you want to learn more about this and other hydrogen measurement applications can be found at emerson.com, and then search for Micromotion High Pressure Coriolis Meter to begin your journey to explore more on the emerson.com website about hydrogen measurement challenges that we've discussed.